Hello guys, thanks for joining the webinar. Alex here. Um, Today's webinar is going to be dedicated to the Rent Tracker tool. This is the application that you can purchase either separately or as part of the SEO PowerSuite package. If you visit our website and check the features and editions page, you will be able to see uh, the features that are available in Run Tracker and also compare different editions of this application. Currently, Run Tracker is provided in two versions, the professional one and enterprise version. And the main difference is that the enterprise version allows you publishing and saving your reports, while professional version um, allows you only to view your reports inside the software, and also you're able to add only up to 5 competitors per project in the pro version, while the enterprise is 10 competitors per project. So let's start the review. If during the webinar you have any questions, please feel free to ask in the chat room. Once I finish, I will check your questions and I will answer them. So let's begin. And as soon as you install and start your Rent Tracker tool, it will offer you to start your first project. So you have to enter the domain that you would like to track and go to step number 2, where it will ask you to connect your Google AdWords and Google Analytics accounts. These accounts are required by Rent Tracker to collect such information as search volume and traffic stats for your website. But if you if you don't feel like adding these accounts right now, so you must simply skip this step and go on to the next one, where it will ask you to enter your target keywords, so the ones that you're going to monitor with the help of Rent Tracker. And then go to step number 4, where it will suggest to choose your preferred search engines. By default, it analyzes your domain and offers search engines for the country where your domain is from, but if you would like to add any other search engines, you may click the Add button and it will show the full list of over 300 search engines that are currently supported by Rent Tracker. And moreover, you are able to add not only country-wide search engine, but also create a custom location, so Rent Tracker will be checking rankings as they are seen from that specific location. To do that, you click the Add Custom button and it will show this special advanced menu where you need to enter the name of the city or the name of a town that you would like to monitor. Click Apply and Rent Tracker will apply this location. So once you click and then you click OK, and you will find this new search engine added here to the list of search engines. But I would like to point out that here you will find also some other additional settings, such as to select region filter and language filter, but I recommend not to change anything here because these are additional settings that you may find in Google, and which actually, so these are these settings, search settings that are available in Google, and here more and tools. And if you change anything here, then the results that you will see in Rent Tracker will not be actually those results that a common user sees in their external browser, because usually no one uses these additional settings when using Google. So that is why my recommendation to get the exact rankings, you need to specify only the preferred location, so the town or the city you're going to monitor. So now we have the list of search engines that we have selected, and we just click the Finish button and Rent Tracker starts checking our rankings. I have already some demo project, so we don't need to wait till it completes the scan. So as soon as it finishes, you will find this default project table where it will contain the list of your keywords and their ranking positions. And Actually, Rank Tracker is able to pick up not only organic results, but also uh, images, Google Places, videos, and all other SERP features that sometimes Google shows on the result page. For instance, if you search for some very high local keywords such as pizza New York, you will be able to see these local places pack, some videos, and some also other suggestions and top stories, etc. So Rent Tracker can also pick up these results as well. And if your website is ranking somewhere in those results, then this will be highlighted in your project in the following way, that you will have two numbers actually in the rank column. So the first number will stand for the position of the local pack. So for instance, right here I have 1 and 1 in brackets. So the first number is the position of the local pack on the results page, and the second number is the position of your website inside the local pack. So in this case, in my case, it means that uh, my website is ranking number 1 in local pack, which is ranking number 1 in Google. So it would be like this. So this is the first result, and my website is ranking number 1 here. And other types of results that are also picked up by Rank Tracker are site links, images, videos, and many more. Actually, if you check the Google SERP features column here, we will also find the list of Google SERP features that have been spotted by Rank Tracker on the results page. And if your website is ranking anywhere inside these SERP features, they will be highlighted with the green color. Uh, the others will be just grayed out, meaning that they are present on the result page, but your website is not ranking anywhere there. The table that you see in this workspace is customizable, so these are not the only columns that you might find in Rank Tracker. If you click the Add button, the special Edit button, where you will find the list of other columns and other factors that you can add to the current workspace, so like this. And it is also possible to export this table. So if you're using the Pro version, then in your case you're able to export the results manually, just selecting them, right click, then choose copy to clipboard, and then select either to copy all columns or copy just the keywords from your project. If you're using the enterprise version, then you're able to use the quick export button, and then you will be offered to give the name to the export file, and then it will be saved as a CSV.txt file. So you will be able to open it in Excel or in any other spreadsheet. In Rank Tracker, there are a few other factors that may help you to evaluate the keyword efficiency. So the first one is the key EI factor, which is keyword efficiency actually, and you may update that factor inside your project by just adding the key EI column to your project, and then click the update SEO PPC data, and then choose to update number of searches and competition values, because key EI is based on these two factors, number of searches and competition. The other few factors that may help you evaluate your keywords, the first one is the keyword difficulty. As you see here at the very bottom of your project workspace, you will find this additional table where it will contain keyword difficulty tab. So if you switch here, you will find this keyword difficulty score, which is given to the selected keywords here. So this keyword difficulty score indicates the how difficult it will be for you to outrank your top competitors, because when you select a keyword in the project and update the keyword difficulty, it collects the top 10 competitors for the selected keyword, and then it gives each competitor a difficulty score, and then gives you the total difficulty score. And meaning that if the score is over 70%, this means that it will be pretty high, pretty difficult for you to outrank your top competitors. So you may consider trying to promote some other keywords, not the selected one. So you can update keyword difficulty for all of your keywords. Some users also ask whether it's possible to see not only top 10 ranking results for a keyword, but more results. And this feature is available under the SERP analysis menu. So if you switch to SERP analysis, SERP history, you will find the list of top 30 competitors that are ranking in the selected search engine for the given keyword. And so every time you check your rankings, RandTracker will pick up the top 30 competitors, and with time it will build up this table where you will be able to compare what competitors you had on top 30 results for each check date. So every time you check your rankings, this table will be updated, and moreover, it will build up this fluctuation graph here where it will indicate how much your competitors have been changing, or so the list of the competitors have been changing over time. And it is also possible to check the organic traffic results in your RandTracker. This means that if you connect your Google Analytics account, you should go to Preferences, Google Search Console, and Google Analytics, and connect your Google Analytics account. Then you may select the keywords, click Update Traffic, choose to update Google Analytics results, and then RandTracker will connect to your Google Analytics and will show how much traffic your keywords are bringing to your website from the selected search engine. So this way you can also check the traffic stats for your website. At the very top here you will find a list of predefined workspaces. So these are just predefined tables which focus on different aspects of your results, but as I said, these workspaces are customizable, so you're able to edit them, and if you click the plus button, you can also create your own custom workspace, selecting the columns that you would like to add there, and this way you're able to create as many workspaces as you want. In RandTracker, you're also able to add competitors to your project. You have to go to Preferences, Competitors, click the Add button, and then enter the name of the competitor that you would like to add, the domain address. You click OK, and when you go back to the project, you find this new competitor here. So when you check rankings, then RandTracker will be checking both the ranking results of your main domain and also of your competitors. There are a few ways how you can manage your results in RandTracker. So the first one is using the quick filter here, where you can quickly sort out the keywords that you need. For instance, just type in the initial words of initial characters of a word, or some other characters that you would like to sort out. Or you can use the advanced filter, where you can create multiple filtering conditions, for example, to show all the keywords that contain SEO and at the same time that have number of searches equal to, for example, 10, etc. Oh, well, I have no keywords because none of them matches the condition. So this way you can create multiple workspaces that match multiple filtering conditions. And there is one more way which can help you to quickly sort out the results. That is by adding tags to your keywords. So you select the keywords in the project, right click, choose add tags, and then enter the tag that you would like to assign to the selected keywords. So this way you will be able to, again, to create a workspace which will contain only keywords marked by a specific tag. So here I choose tags, contains my tag. So now I have a workspace marked by specific tags only. And at the same time, in your reports section, you'll be able to generate reports only for keywords that are marked with specific tags as well. If you don't want just to analyze the keywords one by one, you may switch to the ranking summary section, where it will give you a brief report of how your website rankings have been doing in general. So you will find the visibility progress graph, the visibility by search engine distribution, and other factors analyzed. You are able to save this report in PDF file if you want so, and but again, this option is available only for the enterprise version. Um, the keyword map section helps you to group your keywords and work with your keywords by groups. So once I switch here, I will find the list of all my keywords, but I can either group them manually. To do that, just select the keywords that you would like to group together, right click and choose Move to Keyword Group. So then I give name to that group. So here. And now I have this group which indicates the search volume, competition and key EI results only for the keywords marked that are included in that group. But if you have a very big list of keywords and you don't want to group those manually, you can just switch to the All Keywords section, right click, choose Regroup, and then select the type of semantic similarity that should be applied when grouping your keywords. So you click Regroup, and then all your keywords are grouped automatically on the basis of their semantic similarity. So you can this way you're able to regroup them pretty quickly, a very large amount of keywords. The second section that can help you is the keyword research section, and this one aims to help you find new keyword ideas. So once you switch here, you will find the list of keyword research methods that are available in Run Tracker. So starting with the ranking keywords, this one is the recent method that we added to the software, and it helps you find the list of keywords that your website is already ranking for. So you have just to enter the domain, the domain that you would like to analyze, click OK, and it will connect to our database and will provide you with the list of keywords that this specific domain is already ranking in the Google USA section. Or you can use other methods, just go by one, and here we'll find the tools that are available in each method. For instance, keyword suggestion supports the Google AdWords keyword planner and keyword discovery, autocomplete tools of Google, Bing, Yahoo, YouTube, and others, related searches for Google, Bing, and Ask, domain research for Google AdWords and other Google accounts, etc. The keyword sandbox is a sort of a draft section which keeps all the keywords that have been found in those keyword research sections. So they are all added here, and they are stored in this section. So you can just get some suggestions, then go to the keyword sandbox and update the factors in this section by selecting the update button, choose the factors that you would like to update, and then if you find some keywords to be useful, you may move them from this keyword sandbox directly to your main project workspace. So they will be added here to the main list, so you'll be able to track those new keywords together with your main keywords. And finally, the report section, where you are able to generate and save your reports. So once you switch here, you will find here the list of predefined report templates which are available for you to use. But These reports templates are customizable, so you may click the edit button and it will open the report template preview, and here we'll see the list of widgets that you can use in that report template. So you just select a widget, click the plus button, and it will be added here to the main template. So this way you are able to choose which widgets to use in your template, and you may also delete them if you want. So just select the ones that you want to use, click the save button, and you will have your report template. And in Run Tracker, you are able to save these reports. If you are using the enterprise version, there are several ways to do that. You can either click the quick save button and save them as HTML or PDF reports, or if you want to share these reports online, you may click the share button and it will generate this special link which you can open in your browser, and the same report will be available for you online, so you can send this link to your clients and they can view them online. So that's basically all about Trend Tracker. Please, if you have any questions, ask them in the chat room, and or you may ask in the questions, and I will be glad to answer you. Okay, looks like we have no more questions today, so thanks for joining, and have a great day, everyone.